Welcome to the Boating Adventure Community Update number 10. This is the first opportunity I've had since before the new year to be in front of a camera. As you can tell from my voice, I really am struggling at the moment because when we got back from Blackpool, I seem to go down with a very bad dose of flu. And it's taken quite a while to get over it, and still my voice is suffering. Some people probably say that's a good thing. Just wanted to remind you of the video coming up this Saturday the 14th of January 2023, and that's a video that I filmed in the main at Sawley Marina. And it includes a look round a very nice narrow boat. Because I work quite a few weeks ahead in my videos, it does mean that there's plenty of videos ready to go out to keep the channel going. And being in bed for the last few days has given me an opportunity to formulate my plans for the next few videos that I've got planned. I obviously can't take the swamp duck out at the moment, not just because I'm not feeling too good, but because the River Trent really is very high and in the flood. So there's no way we can take any of the boats out onto the River Trent. But that doesn't mean to say that I haven't got some visits elsewhere already in the pipeline. I'd just like to say a big thank you to all those people who have subscribed recently, and welcome to the channel. It's very encouraging. So I hope you'll enjoy the videos that I have lined up for you in the next few weeks. So thank you very much for all your support, and as always, do take care.